Fleas jump. Fleas are well known for their amazing jumping ability. In fact, some flea species may jump up to 200 times their own body length in a single leap. However, the exact distance they can jump varies based on the species, age, and sex of the flea, as well as other parameters such as the surface they are jumping off and the angle of launch. The average cat flea, for example, may jump up to 13 inches horizontally and 7 inches vertically, which is still an astounding effort considering their small size. Bird that can fly back. Hummingbirds are noted for their unusual flying talents, notably the ability to fly backwards. They are able to do so because of their specialized wings and unique wing motion, which allows them to produce lift and hover in midair. Hummingbirds, unlike other birds, can rotate their wings in a circle, allowing them to fly forwards, backwards, and even upside down. This skill also helps them to eat on nectar from flowers while hovering in place, which is why they are frequently connected with these attractive and colorful plants. Crocodiles are unable to stick out their tongues. Crocodiles are big water reptiles found in tropical and subtropical regions of the world. Crocodiles are classified into 3 families. Crocodiles cannot stick out their tongues like many other animals. This is because the muscles that allow for tongue movement are not related to the bones in their mouth like they are in other animals. Instead, the muscles are linked to the roof of the crocodile's mouth, allowing them to retract their tongues into their throats but not extend them out of their mouths. Fish that have no brain. Starfish, commonly known as sea stars, do not have a conventional brain. Instead, they have a decentralized nervous system comprised of a nerve ring and radial nerves that run throughout their arms. This mechanism enables them to respond to their surroundings and coordinate movement and basic behaviors. However, even though starfish lack a centralized brain, they are capable of exhibiting remarkably complex behaviors, such as recovering damaged limbs and even organs. Female mosquitoes are the killers. Female mosquitoes bite and feed on the blood of animals, including humans. They require protein in the blood to develop and lay their eggs. Male mosquitoes, on the other hand, feed on plant nectar and other sweet substances. Although rare, certain mosquito species have both males and females that feed on blood. So, in general, only female mosquitoes bite. White polar bear has black skin. Polar bear fur is white, while their skin is black. Polar bears' black skin absorbs sunlight and retains heat, which is essential for their survival in the Arctic environment. Polar bear fur is actually translucent and hollow, allowing sunlight to penetrate and reach the dark skin, where it is absorbed and turned to heat. This heat is subsequently absorbed by the fur, keeping the polar bear comfortable in the frigid Arctic climate. Mammal capable of flight. The only mammals that can fly for extended periods of time are bats. While flying squirrels and gliding possums can glide through the air, they cannot sustain flight like bats. Bats have various adaptations that allow them to fly, including lightweight bones and a huge wing for their body size, as well as a distinct muscular system that allows them to control their wing movements. Newborn kangaroo mystery. Joeys are baby kangaroos. The size of a newborn joey varies depending on the species, but on average, they are around the size of a jelly bean or a grape, measuring about 2 centimeters in length and weighing less than a gram. Joeys grow swiftly and can reach adult size in a matter of years. Adult kangaroos can grow to be quite large, with some species standing over 6 feet tall and weighing more than 200 pounds. Bear has the best senses of smell. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, which they use to find food, mates, and identify potential threats. In fact, bears' sense of smell is said to be around 2,100 times better than that of humans, allowing them to detect odors from as far away as 20 miles under certain conditions. Bears have an excellent sense of smell due to the large surface area of their olfactory epithelium, which is the portion of the nasal cavity responsible for smelling odors. Furthermore, bears have a specialized region of their brains dedicated to scent processing, allowing them to discriminate and identify distinct odors with high accuracy. Survival without drinking water. Camels can last for 5 days without water, even in extremely hot conditions where temperatures reach 110 degrees Fahrenheit. A camel can go 6 to 7 months without drinking water during the winter. They may receive moisture from the plants they ingest during this time. Camels' humps are devoid of water. When food and water are scarce, camel humps can store energy. Camel humps collapse when they go for an extended amount of time without eating or drinking. The humps stiffen over time when they resume eating and drinking. Camels can lose up to 40% of their body fluid weight without dying.